ABC train. Let's get start. All kids speak with me. A for apple. Say A for apple. B for banana. Say B for banana. C for cat. Say C for cat. D for dolphin and D for dance. Say dance. E for elephant. Say E for elephant. F for fish. Say F for fish. Z for grapes. Say Z for grapes. H for hat. Say H for hat. I for ice cream. Say I for ice cream. J for juice. Say J for juice. K for kite. Say K for kite. L for lion. Say L for lion. M for magnet. Say M for magnet. N for nest. Say N for nest. O for octopus. Say O for octopus. P for parrot. Say P for parrot. Q for quiz. Say Q for quiz. R for ring. Say R for ring. S for snail. Say S for snail. T for train. Say tell me T for train. U for umbrella. Say U for umbrella. V for van. Say V for van. W for wheel. Say W for wheel. X for X-ray. Say X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Say Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Say Z for zebra.